Hi everyone, today's video I'll show you how to use the enhancer with KREA AI. This tool helps improve the image quality, sharpness, and detail. And here's how to use it. First, visit the KREA AI and log in or sign up if you haven't already. Upload or generate an image. You can use the KREA's real-time AI generation tool. Upload an existing image from your device. Then navigate to Enhancer section in KREA AI. Select the image you want to enhance. Then, the KREA AI provides a various options such as super resolution. It increases the image size while maintaining high quality, detailed enhancement, noise reduction, and then click the Enhance button to process the image. Preview the changes before finalizing it. Download the enhanced image if you are now satisfied and download it with high quality version. Then combine the real-time AI. You can also use enhancer alongside real-time AI generation to create ultra detailed AI images quickly. And that's it. Your image is now enhanced with the KREA AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.